Hey folks, Steve Jones here with Pipe Wrench Plumbing and HVAC. I'm a plumbing and HVAC service technician, and today I just installed this tankless water heater from Navien. Our customers enjoy endless hot water with this. They enjoy lower gas bills than a traditional tank water heater. Instant hot water with the recirculating models. And it's just all around more comfort for our customer. It's great, absolutely. What's involved in doing this, we take out the old tank, and typically they're gas, power vents, direct vents, standard vents. We do away with the old vent system in most cases. We have to upsize gas lines a lot of times. We had to do this in this case on the outside of the house. We run all new venting out the house if necessary, run the gas pipe over in hard pipe, and of course, hard pipe it in beautiful and immaculate copper. Yeah, if you all need a new water heater, especially a tankless water heater, give us a call at 865-583-3957.